Welcome to Venbo Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is perfect tea time snack veg spring roll. I am going to prepare this without any sauce and it will taste good enough. Okay, let's get started and catch up with the recipe. First step is to make spring roll wrappers. For that, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida in a white bowl. Then add 1/4 cup of corn flour. To this add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and give a mix. Then gradually add water and knead well for about 10 minutes until it becomes a soft dough. Then grease it with oil and rest it for 1 hour. In the meantime, we can make filling. For that, take a pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, add 1 cup of finely chopped onion and saute for few minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it once. Then add all the vegetables. I am using finely chopped carrot, finely chopped cabbage, and then potato. Saute well for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes soft. Adding salt helps to cook vegetables soon. Then add 1½ tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix well. And then close a lid, let it cook for few minutes. Once it becomes soft, switch off the flame and let it cool. Then for sealing, take 2 tablespoons of maida in a cup and mix with water and make it like a paste. "30 minutes over, we can take the dough now and knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then roll it like a thread and cut into small pieces. Make it like small balls. Start rolling it. Once done, spread oil. Sprinkle some flour over 2 sheets. And stack them one over another. Once done, now roll it again into a thin sheet. Then take a tawa. Keep it in medium flame and just heat this on both sides. Don't make it like chapati. Now take up from tawa and cut all the 4 edges and then gently remove stack of sheets from one after another. See how transparent it is. My hand is visible under it. Now I am going to make a roll. For that, take the wrapper sheets and place the stuffing here and gently roll like this. And then apply sealing paste and fold inwards at both sides. And roll again, then enclose finally with the paste. These are perfectly wrapped in roll. Repeat the process and make all the rolls ready. Take a fry pan and have enough oil to fry. Once oil is heated, gently drop the rolls and fry in low flame until color changes to brown color. Once sizzling stops, we can drain out from oil. So now our crispy vegetable spring roll is ready to serve. This goes well with tomato sauce as a tea time snack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, press bell button and share your comments with us.